Shared passwords in enterprise Wi-Fi introduce unacceptable risk and operational overhead. Wi-Fi certificate authentication replaces vulnerable shared passwords with cryptographically secure X.5 firewall9 digital certificates, enabling mutual authentication and instantaneous revocation. Three core ideas underpin certificate authentication. First, EAP-TLS is the most secure Wi-Fi authentication method, requiring digital certificates on both client and server. Second, PKI provides the framework of hardware, software, policies, and procedures needed to create, manage, distribute, and revoke certificates. Third, 802.1x is the IEE standard for port-based network access control that provides authentication for devices joining networks. What actually matters? Mutual authentication is mandatory. In EAP-TLS, the server verifies the client and the client verifies the server, preventing fake access points. Never trust a flat PKI. Always use a multi-tier hierarchy, keep the root offline, and use intermediate CAs for daily issuance. Finally, segment guests from certificates. Corporate devices use certificates with EAP-TLS, whilst guests use captive portals. Never mix authentication models on one SSID. Read the full guide at purple.ai.